Once you've recorded your video and clicked the green finish button as we did, you'll arrive here at the video editing screen. Now, from here, you can do a few things, but first, what we'll do is we'll start below the video. Here, you can retitle your video. Once your video has been finished and has been viewed, you'll see video views down here, much like you would on YouTube. You'll be able to see your total views and unique views. Down here, you can provide a description. From here, you can download your video. You can duplicate the video. You can delete the video entirely, or you can share it. You also have some reaction buttons. From here, you can also send your video simply by clicking the copy link, and then you'd be able to post that in an email or into a document, or of course into your web browser. From here, you can also adjust privacy. So right now, if I were to click that button, it just hides it. But I can, much like in Google, adjust what folks can do with the link. So do I want link sharing? Do I just want to make this public so that anyone anywhere could search for the video? Right now, I'm just going to leave it on link sharing. Now, I can invite people, so only allow people with specific emails to view the video. So only those people I share this with will see it. And then, of course, I can add a password. So only people with the password will be allowed to view the video. So even if I were to post this, if I add a password to it, I would have to share the password with people for them to be able to view the video. From here, you can also edit your video. So if I click on Settings, do I want people to be able to leave comments on the video, like on YouTube, for instance? Do I want to receive an email notification with each comment? Do I want to have emoji reactions available? And from here, I can also set this as a default. So that means on all future Loom videos, it would remember this setting. Animated thumbnails or GIFs, do I want people to be able to use those? And again, I can set this as a default. Loom branded player, yes or no, and I can use that as a default. Do I want people who view my video to be able to download my video? I can decide that here by just toggling on and off like the rest. And do I want to show analytics to the viewer? Yes or no? And then with all of my changes, I would simply click Save. From here, you can trim your video. So trimming the video simply adjusts where the video will start and where the video will stop. So I can drag this forward, and now my video will start here, and I can drag the end of my video back, and my video will stop there. You can, of course, play your video. You can toggle. You can simply return. So now my video is only going to be those short 43 seconds that I've limited it to. I can create a call to action. So what do I want the button that will appear over the video to say? Where do I want the button to take people online? I can adjust the color of the button, the text color, and I can decide what the button looks like. It can be rounded, slightly rounded, or just a traditional square. And then I would click Save. And I can, of course, create a custom thumbnail. So from here, what I might do is if I have an image that I've already downloaded and I'd like to use, I can always drag and drop something there. Or if I'd like to, I can browse for a thumbnail. Of course, it's just going to take me back to my library. I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel. Once your video is done being edited, it is ready to go. You simply have to share it out, whether that is through Google Classroom, an email, or a link somewhere else. But that is the video editing and sharing screen.